What's wrong with this picture? Oh my God. Hey everyone, my name is Tremaine. I have a great love for pole dancing and yoga, and on this channel, I'd like to share with you my best tips and tricks so that you can become a better human. There are many ways to improve your pole dancing. Frequent practice in classes, strength and conditioning at the gym, yoga and Pilates, you name it. But what if there is a simple thing that you can do right now that can drastically improve your performance? And what if I told you that it all has to do with your feet? Very often, I see people do this. Or this. It doesn't look very elegant now, does it? It makes you look a little bit like a fraud. But if that's what you're going for, all the best to you. For me, I like to look a little bit more elegant. Pointing your toes is something you get told very often in class, and many people actually forget to do so. Now, the main difference is twofold. One, it actually looks a lot better. Two, pointing your toes actually engages the right muscles that are required to help engage you in the pole pose and pole shape that you're after. Let me show you how. What I was doing before was I hooked my right leg, or the leg that's next to the pole, around the pole. Now, you see that my toes are pointed, and by doing so, you actually engage all of the muscles from the shin up your thighs, and you can see the engagement on my calf muscles here. So the grip is tight and secure. Inversely, when I flex my foot, like so, you can see how the muscles have changed, and by doing so, actually you're putting a lot more stress on the grip itself, and if done wrongly, you can actually bruise yourself on the inside of your legs. I know it's a I know it's a really tiny thing, but doing so can really improve your performance on the pole. That's better. And this is the split. Yay! Okay, now gracefully dismount. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now over to you. What is the one tiny thing that you do that helps improve your performance? Leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Subscribe!